I will talk about how can you play game on your or play games on your NovelToon app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here. So you go down, you click here on mine down here, just click on it. So when you click here on mine, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here, then you click here on game center, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then here can you play games in this list here, just click here on play. Then automatically it's going to take you to play this game here on your NovelToon app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.